Do you feel anger? Whilst feeling the emotion of anger is natural, when it becomes an emotion you feel too frequently, it can have deeply negative impacts to your well-being. This is an emotional freedoms technique tapping sequence to help you move away from these feelings of anger. Welcome back to Selfcare Karen. It's lovely to have you here. This video is part of my EFT, that is Emotional Freedom Techniques series. And if you'd like to know a little bit more about this alternative talking therapy, then please just take a look at my introduction video, where I explain the different tapping points and the kind of philosophy, if you like, or the science behind this therapy. This video has got timestamps, so you can actually skip ahead to the tap along sequence. That way, if you want to come back again and again, you don't have to sit through this introduction each time. I've covered many topics in my EFT journey so far, and what I've done is I've put all of my recordings into a playlist, and you can link to that playlist here, so you can have a look to see if there are any other tap-alongs that might interest you. I also sell companion products in my Etsy shop, and you know, I am a big believer in personalization, and that's why I offer a script writing service in my shop. I write EFT scripts and also write meditation scripts. So if that's something you'd like to learn more about, then please just go to the link in my video description. I am also a big believer about building healthy habits into your life, and I designed and created a weekly habit tracker, which I'm offering to you as a free download if you sign up to my mailing list. And details about how you can go about signing up to my mailing list are also in the video description below. If you join my mailing list, not only do you get that free download, but you also get a free meditation script, a discount to my shop, and regular updates from me. Please do let me know in the comments section if there is any topic you would like me to cover in an upcoming video. The more I dig into EFT, the more I can see how it is such an effective therapy, an effective way to deal with limiting beliefs and emotional blocks, and really helping me live our best lives. Experiencing frequent anger can have negative impacts on both your physical and mental health. It can increase your risk of heart disease, weaken your immune system, and it can negatively affect your relationships with others. Learning to manage and express anger in healthy ways can lead to a happier and a healthier life. As the years have passed, and actually with motherhood, and now the perimenopause, I have that joy too, my anger levels are way, way higher than they ever used to be. And I find that voicing my feelings really helps. My son and I have even developed this kind of color code system to express our anger levels so that we know we can say really easily if we're getting into like a danger spot. I've written this EFT tap along to help manage anger better and actually release it and the negative effects that it can have on our lives. So I mentioned my introduction video, but actually you don't need to know anything more about EFT than you already do. All you need to do is follow along with what I do and what I say. If you don't feel like speaking, it's enough to listen, but you do need to make sure that you're tapping the points as I indicate in this tap along sequence. Okay, try and find a quiet spot and make sure that you're comfortable, either seated on the floor, on a bed, on a chair, on a sofa, and just start to check in with how you're feeling and make sure that you're becoming aware of your breath. That's going to help you relax, and that's very important for tapping to feel relaxed. Okay, and I want you to take a deep breath in, and we're going to start with what's called the karate chop. So you just take your hand and your other hand and you start tapping along the side of your hand and repeat after me. Even though I get angry, I love and accept myself. Even though I have feelings of anger, I love and honor myself. Even though I feel angry right now, I love and respect myself. Okay, we're going to go to the eyebrow. This anger, this frustration, under eye, this irritation, under nose, this annoyance, chin, this resentment, collarbone, this rage, underarm, this fury, top of head. I'm letting it all go now. Eyebrow. I'm ready to let go of all the pain and suffering. Side of eye. I choose to move on now. Under eye. I choose to not waste my energy on feeling anger. Under nose. I am in control of my emotions and feelings. Chin. Remember to breathe. I'm feeling calm and relaxed. Collarbone. I release all pent-up anxiety and fear. Underarm. I deserve to be okay. Top of head. I am okay right now. Eyebrow. I choose to release myself from any emotional blocks that cause my feelings of anger. Side of eye. I give myself permission to let go of my anger. Under eye. I release myself from my resentment, rage, and irritability. Under nose. I am grateful for all my blessings. Chin. I feel serene and at peace. Collarbone. I choose love. Underarm. I let go of anger. Top of head. I am ready to release my feelings of anger and move on in all that I am and all that I am becoming. Now, take in a deep breath, release that breath slowly, and just check back in with how you're feeling. Hopefully, your anger levels have reduced. If not, maybe you want to do another round, or 2, or 3, or 4. Depends how angry you're feeling. Practice this sequence as often as you need to. By giving expression to the cause of your anger, you can let it go. Thank you so much for joining me today. Remember, there will be another EFT tap along sequence going live next week, next Monday, and on Fridays I upload a beauty product related video. Remember, you are in perfect time. See you soon.